Hey, you join me here at probably the world's most famous garage, Jay Leno's Garage in Los Angeles, California, and next to us is Jay's 32 Ford. Now, this truck is actually going to be making its way out to the East Coast. It's going to be traveling to Washington, D.C. So Ford is putting on a program called Driving America Forward in celebration of the 250th anniversary of America. So this is going to be at Union Station in Washington, D.C. from July 1st to July 14th. And we're here with the Jay Leno's Garage Car Care Products guys. So we're actually going to give this truck a bath, get it nice and prepped and ready for its trip out to the East Coast, and show some of the products that they have. And I'm looking forward to seeing it nice and clean. And maybe you'll get a chance to see it in DC.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris from Jay Leno's Garage, and today we're working on this 1932 Ford. We're just going to give it a real quick basic wash. We're going to start with the wheels and tires. This truck is going off to Washington, D.C., so we're going to give it a quick wash to get it prepped for that. We're going to start off with the wheels and tires. We're using our heavy-duty Total Wheel Cleaner. I really like this blend because it allows us to tackle both the rubber tires and the wheels itself, or the wheels themselves, and makes it a really quick, easy job. Spray on, a little bit of scrubbing, and then rinse off. You'll see this tire turn brown, all that good stuff, and safe for most wheel finishes. So. But see all that browning coming up? You'll see it in the foam there. That's where this product really is great, is that it's gonna get that tire really fresh, remove any potential old dressings that may have been there, and just make it super clean, so the next dressing absorbs very nicely and it looks really clean and even when you're done. This stuff is almost touchless too, but I like coming back with a brush and scrubbing it down. It makes for a more thorough job. We're using our ceramic wash shampoo on the Ford. We just need something with high lubricity, leave a little bit of protection behind. It'll enhance gloss, help with the water behavior and all that stuff too, but we just want to get it clean, so we're just using our general use soap on it right now. The nice thing about this soap is that it's what we call free rinsing, or the surfactants, the actual dirt lifting piece of the soap in here is what's called free rinsing. So even washing in direct sunlight, you definitely don't want to let it dry completely. You're working against yourself there, but if it does, you can just rinse it right off and it rinses clean and you're not fighting against it. So it's kind of nice that way. Wouldn't be LA if we weren't representing the purple and gold. The Lakers, baby, Kobe, rest in peace. All right, so wash step's done. We're gonna move on to drying. We're gonna use our ceramic speed detailer. This is an excellent detailing spray with the added benefit of ceramic protection, or SiO2. You're gonna get about 90 days of paint protection out of this, but I like to apply it while the car is still wet as a drying aid. Lubricates the drying towel, helps it glide across without leaving a bunch of extra scratches, but then you're leaving protection behind too while you're doing the same thing. So just misting it on pretty liberally. So our high gloss tire shine that we're applying to the tires here just provide a little bit of protection, keep them from browning, and add a little bit of gloss as well. But it's a nice water-based dressing. When you want to take it off, it comes off very easily, but it also lasts a very long time when you don't want it to come off. So we really like it a lot. Personally, I like a applicator pad. You can spray it directly on if you'd like. All right, well, the yellow Ford is done. We're putting the finishing touches on it right now, and it's going to get on the road to Washington, D.C., so we're really looking forward to that event. If you guys want to check out more about Jay's Car Care products, you can find us at lenosgarage.com. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and happy 4th of July.
Wow.